Need snow guards on an exposed fastener roof? How about asphalt shingles? Want one snow retention system that does it all? Go universal with Color Snap Universal Snow Guards by AceClamp. Here's what roofing contractors have to say.
My name's Dwayne Howard from Advanced Welding. We're out here today installing the new Color Snap Universal Snow Rail System. The bracket is all aluminum, no rusting. It all comes pre-assembled. You put the mastic on the back of the clip, you line it up, you use string line so everything is nice and straight, and you torque the bolts down, and then you put the snow flags on the backside. And you can put a color code right in front of the bracket will match the color of your roof. Instead of using a rubber membrane, they have come out with a butyl mastic that goes on the back of the clamp. The butyl is always very pliable, so it acts like a silicone. So when you screw it together, it's making a complete watertight seal. Prior to going with AceClamp, you get boxes and boxes and boxes of parts. Now you have to sit there and assemble everything. With AceClamp, it's already assembled. You open up the box and it's ready to go. I think right now we're saving half the time. Labor is a very big, costly expense, and if you can cut down your labor time, it's saving you time and money.
No other snow retention system is faster, easier, or saves you more money on labor on exposed fastener roofs than AceClamp Color Snap Universal. Download our cost-saving guide to snow retention and solar mounting today. And don't forget to check out our snow retention options for membrane and standing seam roofs. Learn more at aceclamp.com.